Hello everybody, I just wanted to give a quick video on the install of the ECOXGEAR soundbar. I have the 26-inch version on my 2021-2022 ICON I40l. So I've already installed it, and I'm just going to kind of walk you through the process to show you how I connected mine, and hopefully it helps somebody else out there. So here's the bar right here, and I've put it in between the front seat and the back seat, just above the roll bar here on the crossbar of the canopy, and I mounted it to that. And these mounts come with the soundbar. And don't forget to install your screws. There's 4 of them that connects the mounts to the soundbar itself. And the mounts back here connects to this bar, and I had to drill a hole in this to get the bolt through. So measure, once you have these connected to your soundbar, measure the hole to hole, center to center, and the center of your crossbar, which should line up with the canopy center mount, and then you can get your measurements so you get your soundbar center. And then what I did is, you can see I ran the wires down the side of the roll bar. Now the roll bar has this, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, this little divot right here, and it's on 4 sides, and the inside as well, the front and the inside as well. And then I ran it all the way down. Let me pop the seat here and show you what I did. Ran it all the way down there, and then I tucked it right down there, so I didn't want to drill into my golf cart anywhere, and I ran it down there so I could grab the wires from underneath. So let's see if you can see them here. This is sorry about the bad camera angles. I'm using my phone here, but I believe this is one of them down there. So now we're going to go underneath the cart, and you're going to hook it up to your 48 volt to 12 volt reducer. And let me see if I can shine a little light on the subject. There we go. Look at that. Which is right here. So you'll notice 2 of these. One just has a red and black wire. That's the one you want to connect to. The other one has a yellow wire and some other colors, blue. You don't want to touch that one. You want to use the one with the red and black wire only. So this is your 48 volt to 12 volt reducer is right here. And let's see if we get a better picture of where those wires come in at. Underneath there. Right down there. And then I ran them down underneath my cart. So now we'll get underneath the cart and show you what I did. Slide my little body underneath here. And right there. So I ran the wires there. I covered them in the black tubing, which is right here. I covered the wires up, tied them up, zip tied them really nice, and then I made my connections to my red and black one right there. Sorry, trying to get my hand here to show you. A little tight down here for a big guy. So we got one connection here and one connection here. Now also you have this fuse that comes on the wiring of the soundbar. I also snipped it off back here so I could fish that line through that tight space of the roll bar. And then I just reconnected it, and I'll show you the connections that I used in a minute. And then taped it off real nice, and like I said, made sure it was nice and secure, so that way I was able to keep this fuse. Oh, sorry, with siren going by, I live by a hospital. And then the other two connections are right here. So the red wire and the black wire, like I said, and you want to tap into those, and I'll show you the best connections to use so you don't have to cut that wire at all. And we'll show you that right now. Okay. So these are the connections I used. And what's really nice about these splice connectors is you can see there's a little stop on the bottom hole there. Let's flip it around. So your wire that's already cut from your soundbar goes in the bottom, and then this other one, see how it's split at the top? You just spread that apart a little bit, and you slide that over the existing wire that's already going to your 12 or 48 volt to 12 volt reducer. And then once those are in place, that's slid over the wire on your reducer. Your soundbar wire goes in the bottom, and make sure it touches that stop right there. Then you get yourself a pair of pliers, and you push this down, and this will splice into the wires and make the connections. So then it has this little tab right here, and you close that tab and it'll lock into place. Okay, very simple. See if I can get this one to do it. Probably not, because I'm not pushing that thing down far enough. There you go, and it locks into place. But you will push that silver part down into the wire, and it'll splice into the wires. So red to red, black to black. And then what I did with the other one is I just use a parallel connector here for wire to wire. Once I cut off the end of the soundbar fuse, so I could fish it down to that tight hole, like I said, because this spot right here is super tight, and that fuse isn't going to fit in between there. So I fished it down there, and then I reconnected the fuse once I got it down below the cart. And like I said, followed this wire all the way up this, zip tied it here, use a little, actually I used a little hot glue to keep it in place, and then I tied up all the wires really nice there, all the extra wires, because it has an auxiliary out that you can connect to, and a couple other little features. You'll see when you get your ECOXGEAR soundbar, they'll describe all that to you. And then that way it's all hardwired in. It goes on when you turn the key on, and then you can turn your power on.
Speaker on.
And
your phone is connected.
There we go. And you got your lights all right there. Your backlight bar, which changes color to white, soft white, yellow, and red. I usually keep mine at red because I'm using it as a third tail light, and off. So now it's off, and you can see that, and you can see that from the back of the cart. You can see that light pretty well. So like I said, I put it at red because I'm using it as a third tail light, because it's facing backwards and I'm facing the speakers towards the driver and front seat passenger. Thing's really loud, it sounds great. Just wanted to give you a quick tip on the installation of the ECOXGEAR 26-inch soundbar on my ICON I40l golf cart. I'm hoping it'll help someone else out, and if you would like to install yours this way as well. So the only extra things you'll need to buy is a couple of these connectors, which I bought a whole box of them, different sizes, because they'll come in handy in other projects. And some of these parallel connectors, which you'll just need one of. And by the way, the gauge of the wire is going to be a 14 gauge wire. So the blue ones here are 14 gauge. You'll see there, these are all different colors, yellow and red, but the blue ones are 14 gauge, and these connectors are 16 to 14 gauge. So, hope it helps somebody out. Alright? Go kart go.